Tony Lindauer here with Transformation Fitness and Wellness. We're going to go through some kettlebell movements with one of our Fit Pros, Ben. And the first thing we're going to hit on is we're going to talk about positioning for the kettlebell swing. We'll also get into some grip positions and then some more technical things with snatch and cling to press. But today, right now, we're going to go into positioning for the kettlebell swing. And what I like to talk about when we find the proper positioning is I typically going to have somebody do where their power zone is have them do a vertical jump. So what we're going to have Ben do right now is he's going to just mimic his vertical jump. And then I'm going to talk about the positioning for this. Okay. When you look down, you see where Ben lands? This is typically the starting position for most kettlebell swings. This is where our power zone is. This is most natural for Ben to do and start the kettlebell swing. Okay, Ben, this is Ben's power position. He just did his vertical jump, and this is where his feet landed. This is where he's most natural. It's where he's going to feel most natural, producing a lot of force. The next drill we go into with a lot of our clients to teach the proper kettlebell swing is called the pop chop. And I'm going to have Ben do this as well because it's going to mimic holding the kettlebell and swinging. So we're going to start up with our hands up high, and we're going to chop down. So go ahead and chop, and then pop, chop, pop, chop. And then start picking up speed a little bit like you had the bell. There you go. Good, good. And I'm going to stop him real quick because we're going to turn him to the side now and show this from the side. It's going to give you a better perspective of where we're loading the posterior chain from hamstrings to glutes, and that's what we want to focus on when we're doing the swing. Go ahead. Yeah. Good. I'm going to have you stop in the bottom position, so go ahead and go down in the bottom position and stop. There you go. You see this position here? He's pulling the belly button in. He's loading the hamstrings really well, but he's also protecting his back. And that's going to be important with the swing because once we get into the swing and have a heavy implement, it's very important to protect the back. And he's loading his glutes. Good. We can go ahead and come up. So that's a great way to start teaching proper positioning for the kettlebell swing.